In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an API key to the Verity mod in Minecraft. First, open the Verity mod and press Escape to open the menu. Go to Mods, then select Verity Forge from the left-hand menu. After that, click on Config. At the top, open the AI settings section. This is where you'll enter your API key. Before adding the key, there are a few settings you should know about. First is the AI provider. The provider I recommend using is Grok, and that's what we'll be using in this tutorial. If you're using a different AI provider, make sure you select the correct one here. Next is the AI intelligence level. This controls how intelligent Verity's responses are. You'll see options such as Fast Light and Fast and Intelligent. For this tutorial, I recommend using Fast Light. You'll also see the TDS settings, which control Verity's text-to-speech voice. I recommend using native TDS instead of Cloud TDS. Cloud TDS can consume your available usage much faster, especially if you use Verity frequently. For the TDS voice, I recommend selecting Daniel, as it sounds the closest to Verity's voice. Now, let's get the API key. Open your web browser and search for Grok Console. Open the official Grok Console website and sign in using your account. Once you're signed in, look for the option to create an API key. Click Create API Key, enter a name for your key, and create it. There's something very important you need to remember. Your API key may only be shown to you once. Make sure you copy it immediately and store it somewhere safe. If you leave the page without saving it, you may not be able to view the same key again. Once you've copied the API key, return to Minecraft and paste it into the API key field inside Verity's AI settings. After that, click Done, then Done again, and return to the game. Your API key is what allows Verity to connect to the AI provider and generate responses. So once everything is configured correctly, you should be ready to interact with Verity.